Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to install and set up Alt-UDP VPN on your Android device. This VPN client is packed with features and supports multiple protocols like UDP, SSH, DNS, and even special gaming servers, making it a great option for enhancing online privacy and improving network performance during activities like browsing and gaming. This video is for educational purposes only. Always use VPN services in accordance with your local laws and service providers' terms. Step 1. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap on the search icon and type in Alt VPN. From the search results, carefully choose the official Alt-UDP VPN app as shown on screen. This ensures you're installing the correct and secure application. Tap Download and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. You'll now be taken to the Alt VPN home screen. The app features two main menus: Servers, Protocols. Step 3. Tap the Servers menu to see the available options. You can choose from standard or gaming optimized servers. Gaming servers are great for reducing lag and improving response time in online games. Step 4. Now tap on the Protocols menu. Alt VPN supports UDP, fast and efficient for streaming/gaming. SSH, DNS, gaming protocols. For this tutorial, we'll use UDP, which is known for low latency and speed. Step 5. Once you've selected a server and protocol, go back to the home screen and tap the Start button. Wait a few seconds while the VPN connects. Step 6. To make sure the VPN is working, tap the menu button in the top left corner, then tap Check IP to confirm your new IP address. If the IP has changed, that means your VPN connection is active and secure. Party popper, and that's it. You've successfully set up Alt-UDP VPN on your device, ready to enjoy safer, more private internet access, and potentially smoother gaming performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, thumbs up, like the video. Speech balloon comment if you have any questions. Bell subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.